Alright guys, I'm going to let you know what we did so far because I need to go over this with you. If you're following this video, I need you to pay attention. Do not half-step anything. Alright, first of all, you can see we got our engine support bar going across onto the fenders, locked into place. The two in the center, I got each end of a chain bolted into the intake. And then they come up on each side. I wanted it that way just in case something happens. I will always have one chain. So I got 4 chains holding this thing up right now. So in case one chain break or anything happens, I got the other side. That's important, guys, because remember, you're up under this 3.6, man, and taking this oil pan down. That thing come down, your fingers are gone, and you can cancel Christmas. It's done. No, well, no, you can still have, you just have Christmas without, you can't open no presents. Cause you ain't gonna have no fingers. Or they gonna look deformed. Oh man. To you guys and girls out there got arthritis, I'm sorry for the next comment, but it's gonna look like you got a serious case of rheumatoid arthritis. You ain't gonna be all like this. Trying to open up some Christmas presents or eat you some fruitcake. I'm gonna stop before Sylvie make me go there. All right.
I make you go there?
All right.
I don't find you funny.
Yeah, let's look up under the car now. Let's get up under the car now. All right, here we go. Here we go. I'm gonna do this part of the video, man. I know what I'm gonna do. It's gonna be funny as anything, man. Look out for the video. All right, jack stands. We have some nice. Don't get no cheesy set of jack stands. Get some nice heavy duty ones. Make sure you got a good solid foundation. I'm on concrete. I'm good to go. If you're doing this job on dirt, you better put a big piece of 2x4. Not no plywood, not even plywood, not even particle board. You want to get some nice 2x8s or 2x12s. Each of them, put them together. You need a solid foundation. Now you don't have to take off the tires, but I'm going to take off the tires so we can make sure we get good shots. I can't stress this enough, guys. This Cadillac is heavy. so if you decide to take your tires off like I am, even if you don't, if this thing comes down, you can forget it. It's done. Game over. The race is done. This car is heavy. It will kill you. So you have to make sure you have jack stands, safety as a precaution. Safety is number one. Every step of the way, safety. All right, so what I got, we got that done. Usually I do is tell you guys to leave the hydraulic jack up under there, but that ain't gonna help unless you have a hydraulic jack on each side. Put another jack stands back there. Put everything back there. Throw the tires up under there. Do everything. Just be safe. Okay, I'm gonna take these tires off, and then we're gonna get right to it. All right, we'll be right back.